Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone Wi-Fi setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we forget Wi-Fi network in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to forget guys your Wi-Fi network in your Infinix phone. Friends, you have to enter any Wi-Fi network, and guys you want to forget. So friends, how to forget it? Today friends, we will talk about it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to forget guys your phone Wi-Fi network. So guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on your phone Wi-Fi setting. So as you can see guys, I have connected guys this Mukesh Wi-Fi. And guys, I want to forget. So guys, I will click on this Wi-Fi setting, and friends you can just share option first of all. So friends you want to share guys this network, so you can share from here. And friends you can see this icon guys, tap here. So friends you can see this password setting, and once you can see get the disconnect option, forget option, and guys you can check about this Wi-Fi setting auto connect guys, you can on and off from here. So I will click on my forget option guys, tap here to forget. After forget guys, you can see we cannot use the Wi-Fi network. If we use, so we will have to enter password again. So like that guys, you can forget, and guys we will have Wi-Fi. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys.